Well, hello. Hello to everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Good Wednesday morning. Morning here. It's about, I don't know what, 20 minutes after 6 a.m. here on the west coast of Florida. And this is Sarasota, Florida, actually. Welcome to Live with Nature. My name is Stephen Smith, and I really appreciate you taking time to come and watch. I have a fabulous view right here that I'm going to just go to in just 1 second. It's that moon, and I still need to follow back up and find out what that planet was that was by the moon that I showed in the video the other day. Pretty sure it was Venus, but I'm not certain, so I better check on that. And I'll do that, and I'll make sure that I feed that information back. So I just want to say thank you for coming. I hope that everybody's having a good day so far. It's morning here, I know afternoon in Great Britain, and evening to my friends in Australia and on the other side of the world here. So yes, thank you. This is an opportunity to connect with nature, and what I do is try and come live every morning and bring you to Sarasota, listen to the birds singing, and just make a connection to nature, as well as have an opportunity just to listen to them, watch the sun come up. I'll go out front in a little bit here, and we'll watch the sun coming up, and just be able to see the paradise that I happen to live in. It's very warm already. It's very humid, and that is very typical for Florida, especially this time of year. So it's definitely summer, and I got up this morning and walked out, and it's like hot and sticky already, and that was at 4 o'clock this morning. So my gosh, it's like crazy. So anyways, it's really not about me talking. It isn't. It's about nature, and I tell you what, this is one heck of a view right here. It is absolutely spectacular. Spectacular. My God, and that big huge cloud up there too with the blue sky behind it is just really cool. It really is. So I appreciate everybody that takes time to come to join me and to, make this connection. Just use it as I use it as an introspection time. I continue my day. I start it with motivational videos. Then what I do is do a little bit of catch up on the social, and I then, about that time that I have to bring, not have to, I bring the Live with Nature because I enjoy doing that and listening to the birds. I do affirmation statements. I repeat positive affirmations, by the way. And then I also repeat my I am statements about clarifying and declaring who I really am. And so use this time for a little bit of introspection if you would like. If you're driving, pay attention to your driving, because that's so important. I've realized that now that I'm driving again, how important it is to pay attention to what's going on, and how the telephone can definitely distract people, and that's why accidents happen. So, shoot, let's pay attention to the driving. I've gotten to the point now where it's like I want to just set the phone aside and not even deal with it if I'm driving. But needless to say, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let this video run. I'm going to then take us out front here pretty shortly, because it's a nice view out front too as well. In the meantime, I hope you're having a good day. I hope that this touches you in some way. Feel free to make comments. I see Sonny. Thank you so much, Sonny. You're so awesome. And such a loyal viewer too as well. I appreciate that. Make comments. Tell me where you're watching from. And then also, if you'd like, share this video on out. Let others know about this. Let others enjoy this. And so I'll stop talking. I'll just, hopefully we'll have some birds come up. I know they kind of stay away the second I walk out here, because they've been up for a few minutes. And then very shortly here, we'll go out front. We'll watch that sun coming up. All right. Thanks again. Enjoy. Alright. That buzzing right there is their cicadas. There's not many out, obviously, because when there are, and they start buzzing like that, it like triggers all of them to do it at the same time. And it's loud. And so there's not many out, but apparently there are some cicadas out, and that's an interesting bug, I guess it is. I'll call it a bug, but the reality, I suppose, of it is that they only come out every 7 years. So I guess they hibernate for like 7 years, and then every 7 years they come out. And it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So it's a different thing this morning. It's not just the birds, and kind of lacking on the birds out here this morning, but I'm just going to walk us around. There again is that moon. And it is up, about a half moon, in the sky, doing its thing. And so I'll just walk around the front here, because the sky is so nice. So I hope everybody's doing well. I really do. I hope that everybody's having a good day so far, or had a good day, depending on where you were watching from. But this is, some egrets over there, walking around, nature's lawn aerators. They're pretty cool. I'll go over there. Oops, gotta make sure of this. Must make sure that I am not on Wi-Fi. Yeah, no, I'm not on Wi-Fi. Good. Okay. So I'll take us over here. We'll watch these egrets for a minute. They're pretty cool birds. There's some black ones around here somewhere too. So they're just wandering around, having a good old time. So yes, I hope everybody's having a good day so far. I really appreciate everybody that takes time to come to watch. Man, look at that picture. Oh, it's so awesome. I love it. I hope you're having a good day. Sunny, Nostenber, awesome. I love you guys. I tell you, it's a great place too, as well, just to, and I got tingles all over me. It's a great place just to meet some new people too, because you know what? I have a lot of great friends. I have a lot of great viewers, and they chat and get to know each other. And we just get to be with like-minded people that love nature and enjoy what life has to offer us. You know, hey, we're all human. We can all have tough times, can't we? But you know what? I try and overcome those. What I recognized was this. I used to carry around regrets and disappointments for decades, literally decades. And now I don't stay there very long. And because I don't stay there very long, it's so much better, you know. It's a much shorter period of time. And I'm not even talking years. I'm talking hopefully maybe minutes in some cases, maybe hours, not days even anymore. So it's like, wow, what an improvement. Especially in the way that I love things, you know, and enjoy it. And it looks like the egrets are coming right here to talk to us. Good morning, egrets. Good morning. That's pretty nice. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah. So, yeah, it's not fun to stay in disappointment and regret. It's better just to try, for me, to just try and enjoy what life has to offer. And you know what? Every second counts. We were born to die. That's the case, because we don't live forever. Well, eternally I do, but we don't live forever, so I try and want to make every moment count as best I can. Yeah, isn't that cool? Now maybe you understand what I was talking about when I said they're nature's lawn aerators. They are. They're so cool. And they are having a good old time, boy, and you know, I think they're eating well too. Hi. How are you? How are you? Yeah. Hi. Oh gosh. What a great way to start the day. Is that cool or what? Loving it. Boy, loving it. Oh, they found the peanuts. My next door neighbor, he puts those out for them. He's a great guy. He's a super great guy. I'm just blessed to be able to have good neighbors. I don't think that they're really normally eating peanuts, though. They normally, I don't think, are at all. I'm just going to move the camera here out of the way. Yeah. They are having a good old time. Gotta love it. Just gotta love it. Take care. We definitely saw, we're making up for not so many birds out in the backyard, I think. Definitely. Isn't that cool? I love it. My goodness. So they're just going to run around and take care of people's lawns, make sure that the lawn breathes well so that it can grow. Yeah. I love these bushes here too. They're just so beautiful. But I'll tell you what, they are treacherous. God, they have, what's the word? Thorns on them. And bougainvillea. That's what it is, bougainvillea. And you just have to be so careful when you're dealing with that stuff. You do. Because it will get you, and it'll hurt for a little while. It will. So, wow, what a beautiful sky this morning. So, yeah, I hope you're enjoying this. This is just great fun for me. And, you know, I am so blessed. Blessed with great friends. You know, the viewers that come and take time to watch. I'm so grateful for that, too, because hopefully somehow or another I touch people in a positive manner. You know, I love it here. I do. I love Sarasota. I'm very, very, very blessed. I thank my parents for that. I can, because they're the ones that brought me here. They came out here. They've been out here since '93. They're the ones that introduced me to my most favorite place in the universe here, called Siesta Key, the #1 beach in America. The Drum Circle on Sundays. I'm looking forward to bringing you some video of the Drum Circle again. It's an awesome experience. So we'll just sit back and we'll just take it on in. Take it on in. Those clouds. I'm just going to turn the camera a little bit here now so that, and there's our egrets too. Isn't that beautiful? There's a plane coming in. We're only a few miles away from the Sarasota International Airport. So there's a plane going through the frame of the picture there. That was pretty nice. You hear it in the background. But those clouds, look at those clouds. Wow. Ah, it's a great day. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you are. You know, and if you're not having a good day, it's about perspectives. You know, all we have to do is change our thinking. Think about something good, think about something happy, think about something we're grateful for. Yes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn it back towards the sun here. It's going to be coming up here very shortly. And continue to feel free to watch. Continue to go ahead and make comments if you want. Don't feel you have to make comments by any stretch. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for all my viewers. You know, I hope that this just touches you in a way and that you can use this as an opportunity to just relax, feel better about life, enjoy Sarasota. It's a way to take a trip. You don't have to go anywhere. All you have to do is sit back and watch. And most of all, you know, I just hope that you know, if you're not feeling good, that you change that thinking and feel better. Because you know what? It's just no fun being unhappy. And life's too short. So I try and make it the best of every bit of it. So I'll be quiet now. I've been known to talk too much. Well, I've certainly been accused of it. But that's okay. That's okay. All right, we'll watch the sun coming up. I'll stop talking. We'll just listen to the birds. I think what I'm going to do here is just tilt this camera back a little bit. Oh, okay. I suppose that'll work. Can't really see the picture here. That should be all right. morning. Tell you, that is one bright sun this morning. It is very bright. Yes. Very, very bright. So, wow. How cool, huh? So, there we go. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody that has taken time, because I know your time is valuable, to come and watch this and make a connection here in Sarasota to Live with Nature. I enjoy doing this. This is great fun for me. And most importantly, I hope that you're having a good day. I hope that the Lord is blessing you in many, many different ways. Hopefully with some peace and some serenity, some acceptance and understanding. I want you to have the best day possible. I know that every second counts. I'm trying to make the best of it, and I can be human. I can get upset. Try not to. My affirmation statement is this: I don't get upset and angry. Peace, serenity, joy, and love will prevail. I want to I'm going to go ahead and close here in just a moment. I wanted to mention this. I did a video the other day. That video was when I was stuck in traffic on I-75 south of here down in Venice. And I posted it up on Facebook. And someone reached out to me and said, my husband knows this person. And they didn't know him really well, apparently, because what she'd done is this. She searched for accident on I-75 and my video came up, apparently. And I filmed the Life Flight helicopter, which is basically an air ambulance, landing on the freeway in front of us to rescue this person that had a car accident. And she reached out to me and said, I saw your video. I want you to know this person apparently went to the hospital, that they were in critical condition, that they had broken their back, maybe their neck. And last night, I got an update on it. And that person passed away. And what it did is it told me about how valuable life is. It told me about how life can be taken away from us very quickly. So therefore, I want to live every moment to the maximum. Live, laugh, and love. I want to start my closing prayer with this. Dear Lord, you are the creator of all things in the heavens and the earth, and the nature that we get to enjoy here. I thank you for all of the things that I get to experience. I want you to particularly be with this person that passed. I don't know his name. I want you to be with his family. This man was a hero. This man saved people's lives in 911. And he was in New York. He was a firefighter. Lord, bless him. Thank you for the things that he did to share in this world, to help other people. Thank you for all that you do, Lord. Even though it's sometimes difficult to understand, help us to have some understanding and some acceptance. I know that you are the truth. You are the light. You are my God. Help us to trust in you and have faith that everything will be okay. I praise you and I give you the glory, and I know that you will allow us to manifest our dreams and our goals in abundance, and I thank you for that, Lord. I ask you to bless all of the people that happen to watch this video, all of the viewers, all of my friends, all of my family, the leaders of all countries in the world, that peace might be the topic about what particularly the leaders are trying to project. I ask that you would just be with those that are suffering, help them to have some serenity, some peace, some sense of it's going to be okay. And I just, again, thank you, Father, for all that you've done. Thank you for the viewers. Thank you for the people that watch this video. Thank you for touching our hearts and our souls. And in Jesus' name, I pray these words. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. It's Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. There's still a couple days left in this week. Enjoy it. Let's make the most of it. And know that I am actually praying for all of you. I appreciate you. Take care. Have a good day. I'm going to say bye for right now from Sarasota, Florida. Have a great day. And that's what happens when I have too many things going on this screen. Okay.